She's gotta be the dumbest person in the world.
Call, an officer's body cam fell to the ground and was picked up by a woman. She was unaware the camera was recording her every word.
You can't turn them off.
We got a call for the noise complaint. Can I speak to
Well,
the
you
resident of the
can.
house?
You gotta press the button.
Are you the resident
You
of
know
the
what I'm
house?
saying? But once it's being recorded, it's being live. They're all over the
The city
police
ordinance
station.
states that
Hear
if
me?
you're on the sidewalk and you can hear the music, it's too loud, alright? So, alright. You got your driver's license on you?
Probably in his name. No. You seen the light flashing and shit.
Your driver's license? Either one?
Yeah, but
18, 6, 2, I'm out of 8.
Driving vehicles and you live here,
ain't nothing.
The driver of the vehicle.
Come on.
But the vehicle's not being moved.
We're going in the house.
So if the car is not in motion, there's no reason to ask for your driver's
I need to
license.
see your driver's license,
Let's
sir.
go.
You can ask for his identification, but driver's license, you know what I'm saying, like for driving that vehicle, you could have got there driving the vehicle unless the vehicle is under investigation and they trying to see who the fuck you is.
When you just pulled up, the music wasn't up. You didn't hear anything.
I did.
From out here.
This music is still too loud. No, it's not. It is. Do you want to go down this road? I just need you to see your driver's license. I'm going to give you guys a warning, ask you to turn the music down, and I'm going to leave. If you
It's just a noise complaint.
If you refuse to ID yourself, you're going to go to jail.
The music is down.
I need to see your ID.
Failure to comply, man.
I need you to back off.
See, this is how officers get
I
you.
need you to back
When
off.
Hold on.
Come here. Come on.
when you refuse to get that ID up,
Put your hands on top of your head.
that's already obstructing
They
it.
gonna let him off the cars
Officers
for no
can't.
reason. They
Put your hands on top
Damn,
of your
she
head.
sound like she
Put your hands on top of your head.
Like, they gonna let her go. Yeah. Hey yo,
During the
that's
struggle,
crazy
the officer's
work.
body cam falls to the ground. It's picked up by an unknown male and thrown into the yard.
So why the fuck? At least the nigga who picked it up, you can't really see him. Toss that bitch in the yard. Yo was goofy.
Where the daughter at?
Yo probably thought that was helping something. They stupid. They hearing everything. They going to drug dealers, talking about all types of crazy things, shootouts that probably happen. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that's why they got it muted, cause it ain't me, y'all. This is through for, you know, your evidence and all that. They probably said some fucked up shit. Oh man, look at them. They all smoking, chilling, goofing off. Got the camera in their hand, and I guarantee you, not one person said, "Hey y'all, think we should call the police and tell them that we found this body cam."
The woman decides
You
to
know
call
what I'm
the police
saying?
instead of the cops.
Shit, he might stop
Nuse,
fucking with
I'm
us for a
calling,
Knowledge
minute.
the facts of the police
I
encounter.
had. Hi, Nuse, I'm calling. I had just picked up a side cam from a police officer's car that shows very wrong doings. I have a camera that comes off a police car. I guess that got dropped. There was like 7.
Man, this
cars,
girl, they
there
are
was one that was
fucking
picked up,
idiots, bro. I know they do
and I
not
have it.
think that
And it shows
freaking
very
by their little
exclusive and
altercation
vulgar
that just
misdoings
happened,
to a
that
citizen.
since that
can
the
I do about
officer
that?
grabbed him up, assaulted him, probably locked him up.
I have
The officer dropped the
body cam. I
camera,
have it in
so
my hand. I don't know what it is, but
you
I know
think that
it's
the evidence in that body cam,
it's
you got it, and
it
they
has
don't have a
it
chance
says
to delete no evidence or
AXON
delete
on
anything
it.
they go. They can't
It
do none of
has
that, girl. You
I don't know what it is, sir. I'm telling you this.
So
Well, I don't know what
now
I
you
just know
trying to
that I was
call the
around, so I know it
news
has
and
footage on it.
have
I don't
them
know what footage on there, but
investigate
I know it's
that
very good
body?
footage.
I said, my Lord, Lord.
I have not seen myself.
Investigate
I was able to witness
and go
with my
through
own
that
eyes,
body
but
cam
it came off
footage
of a car
so
that's by
you
the
can
same
show them
problem.
witness proof, a video proof, whatever,
What
of
happened
that
was is
little
that my
assault and
grandmother
altercation.
celebrated her birthday
Girl, do you
today,
not know you was being recorded
and
on
there
probably
was a
everything
call, I
else you were
guess,
saying?
for disorderly conduct or for being too loud. 7, maybe 8 police cars came and took my father, my stepmother, my sister, and my goddad to jail. And in
God
between them
damn.
taking them to jail, there was
They
certain
took the
things
whole
that was
family.
wrong, and a body cam, or
You stole
a
his body
car
cam.
cam, it was
Now
dropped.
you about to
It's
go to
actually
jail for
vibrating
thievery.
right now. I don't know, but it dropped, and I got it. But I know that the person that was around was doing wrong things, if I can say that. I don't know.
What the fuck?
They probably left maybe like 2 minutes ago. I found it maybe when I called you.
So now the whole family's going to jail. They all about to be in there
It was filmed
together.
against
You ever
cars
had a
and things like that. It was
whole
actually just
family
came
in jail?
for
My
a
mama, my
disorderly
daddy, my
birthday
auntie,
from an
my
elder
uncle, my
lady,
sister,
and
my
they
brother. We
came
all in jail together.
like there was guns over here. They came slapping women's on the cars,
How
slamming
and
men
why?
on the ground.
All you had to do
This
was
happens. It
turn the
happens.
music
It
down.
happens to the best of us. Clearly,
That's not hard.
they ain't do nothing. But mama gotta learn how to slow down a little bit.
She's
Mama anger ain't the best. She gotta learn how to like relax a little bit.
That's all that is.
she
And I
still
told her
got.
too. But what happened today is that Breasia, Carlo, and not right now my dad, because I'm not quite sure
Oh
with my
my
dad.
god.
Actually, he
They
did say
got
my
her
dad would have
snitching
$100
all
bond
over
too.
this
But
shit.
what happened with Breasia and Big Carlo is that they shit. But because they did something right then and there, they can take them to jail for what they want to. Oh, you be out tomorrow. Okay? What happened to mama is that mama couldn't control her anger. That mama threw the walkie-talkie. So listen.
They won't even walk talkie. That was a body cam.
See,
Through
listen.
the walkie-talkie. Now you just snitched on your mama and said your mama was the one who picked the body cam up and threw it. So your mama disarmed him from the body cam. Well, if he dropped it, she still threw it because she knew it would belong to him.
This side. No. It ain't like that. When it's off, it's off. It's off. Yes, I had to tell him what the thing. He said, oh,
The body cam was located days later and the footage retrieved. According to court documents, no charges were filed.
She talking about it's off, it's off. It wasn't off. It wasn't off. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Keep coming through to watch these reactions with Big Migo, man. I'm finding these bangers for y'all, man. Trust me, I'm looking hard. I'm going through everything I can for y'all, man. Everything I can to give y'all some entertainment. I'm telling you, man. You know what I'm saying? So hey, for y'all, for the people, I got you. But until next time, Big Migo out. Peace.